Fantastic fam, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my first ever Plan With Me 2019. And if you guys want to learn how to make these cute little tabs, you can watch my previous video linked down below. So before I filmed this video, I measured out everything that I'm going to draw on, and first I'm going to paint this little splat effect because I want my planner to be like this this splat effect paint themed one, and I'm just painting on. At first I thought it would like soak up, but this paper held it really well. So tips for getting paper: this paper I ordered online for planners is really good. It's a dotted paper. And I'm taking my other papers. You're gonna see what they are for, but basically I didn't want it to be all plain, so I added these little strips at the corners, these little paint effects, which I think looks super cute. After the paint dried completely, I started doing the overview of 2019, which is doing all the little months, all the little months using different pens and everything, and I think it turned out pretty cute. Right now, I'm just going to write my monthly planner thing. So basically, I've already drawn and measured the grids. You can do this however way you like, but I'm doing a 2-page thing, if you get what I mean. So like, there's one part on this side and one part on the other side. So I don't know why my camera's shaking, but don't mind that. Basically, I'm just writing monthly because the next page is gonna write planner, and I'm just writing on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And using my highlighters, I'm creating this kind of highlight look, which I really like. And it's like pink alternating with blue, and they're both pastel, which looks pretty cool. Then I took my micro fine liner and went over all the lines that I measured. I think it turned out pretty neat and I really like it. Then I went ahead and wrote the numbers for the dates, and yeah, that's basically it. Right now, I'm doing the same thing for the next page, except this time I'm writing Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then using my highlighters again with the same alternative look, I did the blue and the pink. And surprisingly enough, I went like over a few layers with the highlighter and it didn't even leak through the paper, so this paper is really good. Here is a little weekly planner idea. So I basically did those like highlighting things for the date, and then using cursive and purple pen I wrote the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. I did the same thing 4 times, except 2 of them are different designs because I wanted to make like a little alternative look. So here's how it looks like. I think it looks really cute, and here's just a little like weekly planner idea for you to write down your weekly stuff every day. Yeah. Moving on to my next section, I am doing a project checklist thing. So this is useful for those of us who are students or who have a lot of assignments to do. And basically I'm using a highlighter to write the word project, and I'm using a marker to create the shadow. Then using highlighters, I'm then highlighting the columns to kind of like color it in with different colors, which I think looks kind of cute. Then using my micron, I am tracing out the lines, and I'm not doing like a line at the bottom because I don't know how long this chart is supposed to be. So then in the first one, I wrote the word subject. It's for you to write what subject project it is. And then the next one is the deadline, so I can write whatever date it is. Next one is note, and then checklist. And then for the finance section, I bought these finance paper. I just wrote January.